In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email account using the hPanel interface. We'll guide you through these steps clearly and efficiently so you know exactly what to do. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your hPanel account. Start by visiting the Hostinger website. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually an option to reset it, so don't worry. Just follow the instructions provided to regain access. Once you're successfully logged into the hPanel, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you're going to look for the section labeled Emails. It usually stands out, but if you're having trouble, try scanning the menu options. It's typically alongside other key management tools. Click on this Emails section and you'll find all the email-related options and resources that you have at your disposal. Next, it's time to locate your specific mailbox. You'll see a variety of email plans displayed, especially if you manage multiple domains under your account. Find the email plan linked to the domain you want to edit. It's important to ensure you're selecting the right domain to avoid any accidental deletions, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. Now, within the plan selected, you'll see a list of all the mailboxes linked to it. Browse through this list to find the specific email account you wish to delete. Once you've found it, look carefully at the options available right next to it. There may be an ellipsis, which appears as 3 dots, or a manage icon. This is your key to managing that particular account. Clicking on the ellipsis or the manage icon brings up a menu with several options. What you're looking for here is delete. Select it to initiate the deletion process. I know this step might seem straightforward, but remember, it's a pretty significant action, so proceed with caution. Finally, once you've clicked to delete, the system will ask you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial because it ensures you understand that this action is irreversible. By confirming, you will permanently erase all emails and data associated with that account. Make sure you've backed up any essential information before proceeding. After confirmation, the account and all the attached data will be deleted from the server. And there you have it. That's all it takes to delete an email account through hPanel. You've successfully navigated through these steps, and now you have the knowledge to manage your email accounts with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.